Hi guys, Kevin here, and today we'll be taking a look at the Winunite Tailgate Assist. This is used for the 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 models. What it does, it allows the tailgate to go down slowly as opposed to slamming. And what we're going to do is go ahead and install it. I'm going to do a how-to video on how to install this, and we're going to do a first impressions once it's installed, and we'll see how well it works. So let's get to it. So here we have it, the Winunite Tailgate Assist. Let's go ahead and get the box open. Let's see, we have the instructions here. And the first thing we were looking at here is the upper ball mount plate. Looks like they give you two of these, but we'll only be needing one. We have the shock itself, and this will be allowing us to lower the tailgate slowly. Comes with a wrench here, like a lug wrench. We have a Torx 50 wrench. So those are the tools they provide. A screwdriver, I brought a longer one. There's the thread lock glue, and there's the lower mount plate. Got a washer. And I'm not sure what this is called, but here's another joint if the first one fails. So that's it. Here's everything that I'll be using to do this install. So here we have our long neck screwdriver that was not provided in the kit. So let me try to pry this. Okay, let me get under there. Pry this off the lug. All right, lift up the tailgate a little bit so it gives a little slack. And let's go ahead and use the T50 wrench that they provided. Let's go ahead. I'm listening for that crack. No, not there. So let me just go ahead and try to get this off. All right, it's a bit tight. Oh, it's not as bad as it looks. I'm not stripping it. Okay, so let me speed through this. There's some magic. And let me go ahead and get that lug off. As you can see, there's the lug, and that washer that's on there is non-removable. So let me just go ahead and get the upper ball mount plate and slide that on the lug here. Now allow me to go ahead and get this back on the truck. Okay, so I'm going to screw this in. And that's all it took. Looks like we're about done with this part of it. All right, nice and tight. And here's the lower ball joint plate. So let's go ahead and move around and see where that goes. So here we go. We have two lugs, and we just position this correctly. There it is. That's how it should go. Now I've gone ahead and removed the two lugs that are on the tailgate, and these lugs also have non-removable washers, so we're just going to have to place the lower ball mount plate after the washers. So the washers are going to be in between. So let me go ahead and just screw these in place. Now if you remember, when I unboxed it, it came with thread lock glue, but we're not going to use that because it's messy and that's unnecessary. We're just going to tighten these up. Now let's make sure that's nice and tight with the tool that they provided. All right. It's good. Now at the time of making this video, you could find the Winunite Tailgate Assist Shock on Amazon for $27.71. Link down below in the description. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. So here we have our shock, and let's go ahead and place the hole over the nipple here. All right, just should snap on like so. There we go. And then we pull the shock out. Okay. All right. Snapping this on, and we'll okay, snapped right on. All right, so let's go ahead and get our tailgate cable back on. Let's go ahead and put that over the hole and lift up the tailgate. Should just push in and lock, and the clip holds it in place, and there it is. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other end. You can see that just snapped right on the nipple. That's it. Let's go ahead and see how it opens. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the tailgate. There it is. That's smooth. And for more videos on products you consume, stay tuned.